Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to check how to see reposts on Instagram. If you are new, hit the subscribe button for more helpful tutorials. I'll show you simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Play Store or App Store and update your Instagram app to the latest version. Step 2. Open Instagram and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Step 3. Under your bio, you will see tabs like Posts and Reels. If you have reposted something, you will also see a Reposts tab. Tap on it. Step 4. Inside, you can view all your reposts. You can also undo a repost or share it again with friends. That's it. Now you know how to see reposts on Instagram. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.